This is a common sense process. The cat or the dog, they urinate on the rug, the pee-pee travels all the way from the top of the rug all the way to the bottom. It means I have to wash it from the top of the rug to the bottom of the rug. So we flood the rug with the Dead Sea minerals on the top, and the vacuum, the suction under the rug, pull everything through the rug. So all the Dead Sea minerals will go through the pee-pee, pull it in, and take it down. And the tubes show me in real time what's coming from the rug. This is how can I determine how long the process will continue.
Hello, my name is Mayor Martin, and I built this kingdom. It's called PetPeePee. I'm specialized to clean and remove dog and cat urine odor from this very rare Oriental dog. And you can see in this product, I can wash my face. I can even drink it. The taste is bitter, very bitter. However, it is no harmful with this product, and it will remove the urine odor 100%. I guarantee it in writing. Thank you for watching PetPeePee.